guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do what's in my car and how I organize it. So the first thing in my glove box, I always keep one of these. It's just a clear pouch. I think I showed this in one of my hauls. It's a clear pouch, and right away, as soon as I get receipts, like when I'm at McDonald's, Starbucks, or wherever I'm at, I put them right in here. And even my shopping ones, so I don't have them all in my purse. And then you know how you get ready to clean your purse? You throw everything away because you're tired of all the crap in your purse. I stick all my receipts right away in here. And then every 3 weeks to a month, I go through them and decide what I need and what I don't need. So in my glove compartment, you guys, I don't have very much, but I do have this plastic baggie, and I have it full of gum, some mints, and a pair of scissors. Because sometimes you have something you need to cut a tag off. You just never know when you need scissors in the car. I know it sounds weird, but I use them quite a bit, and you never know when you need a piece of gum or a mint. So I always keep this stocked in my glove compartment. The next thing I have is a pack of wipes. Very inexpensive ones, but I like to keep these in the car. Sorry, there's a glare. I like to keep these in the car. You know, you're eating in the car, something's always sticky, or you just want to wipe off something. I haven't even opened them yet. They're brand new. So I always keep a pack of these. And I just get the real cheap, inexpensive ones. These, I believe, are the Target brand. And I keep those also in my glove compartment. Put that away. And I just have the manuals that come with the car. And that's the only thing I keep in my glove compartment besides my little pouch of receipts. As you see, my car is very dirty, and I will be cleaning it today. And so let's go into my glove compartment. Oh, there's my Dyson, you guys. I'm going to use that to vacuum inside my car. I'm so excited. I love that I bought this. It's also a dual thing for the car and for any little space that you need. Love it, love it, love it. So let's go into my my side panel here. So I always keep a charger, and I bought this little organizer. It's for kitchen drawers or bathroom drawers. I put it in here. It does, you know, it holds things better for me, and they're not all moving around in here, and things, if they spill or like the pens, they leak, it stays in this little compartment. It doesn't get on the sides of the car. So in here, I just have my Tic Tacs. Keep those in here. And I keep a tire gauge right into the car. If I have to go into the trunk, half of the time I won't get it. So I keep that right inside the car with me. And then I have 2 pens and the charger. And that's all that I keep in my middle compartment. And then for my, ooh, look at how dirty. Nothing. I don't keep anything in there, no change. And I don't keep any change in the front. I find out if I keep change in my car like that, I end up keeping all kinds of other little crap in my car, so I just don't do it. I put the change right away into my purse. Oops. All right, let's go to the back of my car. Oh, before we do, I like to say one of the best things that I spent my money on, you guys, is my floor mats. And these are these are WeatherTech's. Best money you can spend is on these. I bought these when I first bought my car, you guys. They are a lifesaver. Everything stays in them when winter comes or when it's raining and I get in the car. All the wet, dirt, slop stays in my WeatherTech's. And the carpet underneath does not get wet at all. And here's one for the other side. And all you do to get your WeatherTech's is call the company, give them the make and model and year of your car, and they fit the weather strips to your car. Awesome, you guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I can't remember if I told you guys I was going to go to the trunk or the back of my car, but we're in the back. So sorry. So I always keep a little pillow, so when my grandkids come and they want to take a nap, or they're always falling asleep because it's kind of a long ride into the city, they always grab the pillow. And as you know, I'm addicted to cereal containers. Look at there. There's my cereal container in the back. And that's where I keep my garbage. Look at how full. Yeah, see there? I use it well. Perfect. And as you know, I am a Starbucks queen, so I always have my Starbucks cups in the car. I have a box of tissue and some napkins. And my car is just like everybody else's. It gets dirty. All right, let's see what's in my middle compartment. Sunglasses. I always have a heap of sunglasses in my car because you never know. And when my grandkids get in the car, or anybody else for that matter of fact, like my sisters or my friends, they know where they can just grab a pair of sunglasses if they forgot their sunnies. Step back. Okay, you guys, here we are in my truck. Excuse me, in my trunk. You know, my car is just like everybody else's. It gets dirty. And here's how I keep my car organized and why it stays clean. So I bought one of these bins here. Here I am at Target a long time ago when I bought my car. And it keeps everything that I need in my car that I use on a more frequent basis. So I have my rags that I use, you know, these microfiber cloths. And I have lots of those. My bins, my Starbucks cups, paper bags, napkins. Ooh, you can't see them. Napkins. Workout hat. And I usually have water in my car, but I don't today. So the first thing I could talk about in my car, in my trunk, is these bins. I got these bins, you guys, from the dollar store, and I have 3 of them. 3 little bins, and they have handles, and they have 3 compartments. So when I pick up my grandkids or whoever, we stop to get something fast food to eat. I like it when they can put their pop, their fries, their burger, their tacos, their pizza, whatever they have in this, and it keeps from a mess spilling over in my car. And that's how I believe my car stays very clean, because I use these on a constant, all the time. I even use them myself. If I stop and get something and I'm on a long trip, I use these. And as you know, when I stop at Starbucks, and if I want to get like a tea or something, I just bring these in. These are the reusable ones, and they're the hard plastic, so I don't have to worry about my glass ones getting broke, so I keep those in here. And then another thing I also got from WeatherTech that I really love, and I encourage besides the mats, are these little holders. And they're really dirty right now, you guys, but these things, when you buy groceries or if you have eggs or something that's breakable, you put them in your car. And I'll show you how to do that. You put them in the car, and there's 4 of them, and they keep things from falling over. Love, love, love these. I also keep a blanket, just any old blanket. You know, this is an old Christmas one when I got Choppy. He was a puppy, and when I got him from the lady, she gave me this blanket. And so I've been using this in the car. And that's always in the car. There goes the dog barking at a squirrel. And then my next thing is my little cleaning caddy. So I have this little lint roller. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out why the dogs are barking. I don't even see a squirrel. But I have my lint roller, my Armor All leather cleaner. What's this one? Oh, scratch and blemish cleaner, you know. Plastic bags, so you can clean up any extra junk that gets in your car. Window cleaner, and a mega array of straws. Now I usually have Armor All in here that cleans the car, and I usually have Band-Aids, and I usually have all that. I need to stock up, so I don't have any of that right now, and there's extra napkins, but I usually keep all that in the car, like a little first aid kit also in here. And I also have this little bitty cooler. I don't use it that much, but when I need it, it's handy and it's there. And I just like to have it in the summer. I put ice in it, and if I want really cold water, I don't have to run over to like SA or any of the convenience stores and get water. I just put it in here. So now I'm gonna clean my car. I forgot to show you guys that I also keep an umbrella in my car. And did I mention water bottles? Always keep water in your car. So now I'm gonna vacuum out my trunk, and I'm gonna use that trusty dandy little Dyson that I just bought. Here goes, let's try it.